Hello everyone, the topic of my speech is smoking and chewing tobacco. Today in this modern era, we the people and most commonly the youth are so influenced into chewing tobacco, consuming cigarettes, bidis, marijuana, which is most commonly known as weed in our society, as a fashion trend or as a tool to brag about, even after known to the circumstances or even after being warned. Day by day, it's turning into a common situation for us to see teenagers and adults chewing tobacco and smoking and loitering around the town, which eventually and personally breaks my heart. Smoking and chewing tobacco causes so many deleterious health hazards. It causes damages to lungs, it causes heart problems, it causes vision problems, it causes weak immune system, and also it destroys our gums, it leads to tooth loss, and it can lead to cancerous diseases in lungs, in mouth or esophagus, in pancreas, so far and so on. Smoking and chewing tobacco doesn't only affect a particular person, but it affects the people in and around the environment. The active smoker, they breathes out the smoke, which is then inhaled by the passive smoker, which causes irritation and indirectly or directly causes health problems to the passive smoker. Let us all remember that cigarettes and tobaccos doesn't expire, but it will lead to the expiration of the people consuming it. So let us all cherish and love the life that our Almighty God has blessed upon us, as we all know that we cannot bring a person back to life after its death. As 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 19 says, our body is a temple of God. So let us love, honor and respect our body. And also let us not let these material things or these temporary things to master our life, but let us choose to obey God by living righteously. So let us take a decision or step where no individual or no person is being harmed. So my dear brothers and sisters, let us say no to tobacco, no to smoking, but yes to life. Thank you.